Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to fix the issue when your Cash App Wave receipt is not showing up. Follow this step and we will get it solved quickly. So first, make sure your Cash App is up to date. Open the App Store and then tap the search icon at the bottom right and type the Cash App. If you see an update button next to it, tap the update button, and sometimes updating alone fix the receipt issues. Now, if the updating doesn't help, then you have to go to your settings and then scroll down and select general, and then select iPhone storage and scroll down and find the Cash App. Now click on it and then click upload app, and all you have to do is confirm again. So after processing, all you have to do is again tap the reinstall app. So this clears caches and refresh the app, often solving the hidden bugs. Now, if the receipt still wouldn't show, open your Cash App and then tap your profile icon in the top right and then scroll down until you find support. Click on it and then again click something else. And when you do it, all you have to do is scroll down and then select this click cash card. Then here in the end you can see the contact support. Click on it, and now all you have to do is choose not about transactions and then click chat at the bottom. Now in the chat, explain your issue clearly. So you can say, hi team, I am having trouble accessing a Wave receipt for a recent transaction. I have checked all tab, update the app and restart my phone, but I still can't view or download the receipt. So can you please help me to resolve this? And that's it. Hopefully this helps fix your Cash App receipt issues. If this video helped you out, then please like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.